Okay guys, hello everyone. What do I have? I have this guy, HP. I have no idea when it was made, but it's quite old. It has on board i5, but at the same time, it's quite a good characteristic has. I mean, nope, not this. We can check system. What do we have? Here we have Intel Core i5 4570, 16 gigabit for RAM, but at the same time we have really slow HDD, and also it's 189 gigabit. But I'm gonna use this desktop for my lab for different experiments. I wanna use virtualization on this and gonna use this as a server. What I've decided, I bought SSD, 5 terabyte, and I'm gonna clone this Windows 10 from HDD to SSD. For me, actually, it's even easier to install just a new version of Windows and this SSD, but I wanna clone, just learn something, maybe how it works. I've done this before once, and I wanna do this today as well. What I have, for example, I have this DiskGenius app, which will help me to clone this stuff. First of all, I have to connect this SSD to USB port. Yep, not so easy. Yes, works. And now I'm gonna run this. Okay, of course, yes. Why you have to do this? For example, if you have a lot of your different configuration, like your own setup, and you don't want to do this again one more time, you can just clone exactly whole Windows with configuration and everything, with all apps and with all your data to another disk. But before, of course, you have to create a backup. Just if you have something important, just backup all of this data. Okay, now in this app we have this OS migration button. Choose this, then we'll have, please select target disk. This one free, of course. But this adapter USB capacity, solid state drive, please select this. Okay. Then we have this one, Windows with all of this different partition. This one also we can exactly copy as it is, but you see we have like much more free space. You can expand this, like make much bigger, just for all disk, to use all of this disk, like partition. Yes, system partition size. Okay, and set target disk to boot system. Nope. Start. Warning: all files and partition on target disk will be, of course. Okay, hot migration, and we have to wait. That's all. Okay, pause. Okay guys, our next step, we cloned successfully our Windows to this SSD, and now we have to open this one and change HDD to SSD. Okay, how we can do this? Screwdriver, open this, open again. No, I can't. Oh no, I can. Unplug power cable and data cable. No, I have one more screws over here. Okay, I'll try this with my hand. Oh yes, I can do it. I hope. Oh, yep. This guy. What do we have here? 4 sticks RAM, 4 gigabit each. This cooling system in old PC looks nice. I don't know, I like it. I have 2 additional NIC cards for a J45, this and this one, and also this one as well. It's from motherboard. Okay, how we can install? We need some additional, I don't know. Okay, now it's gonna look like this. Also, I have one additional for power cable I can add, and I am gonna add this one. No, it's 1 terabyte, it's too much. I'm not gonna do this. This one for 160 gigabit. And I'm gonna use this just for some Linux distribution, maybe for Kali, like dual boot from 2 different drives. Yes, I have one for data connection SATA over there. Yes, one free, and this cable we can even plug it in right now. Okay, like this, and it's gonna work. Okay. Yep. Nice. It will be like this, but not now. Okay, let's start, and we will see. Yeah, Windows icon, how fast it's gonna be. Wow, so much faster. Welcome. Yes, task manager, we will see disk 2%. Every time with this HDD it was 100%. With this guy it was more than 10 minutes. I like it. Okay, start menu. Maybe we have delete something like Microsoft's I don't need to disable Logitech.load assistant. I don't need to disable Microsoft Edge. No, bro, disable Microsoft OneDrive. Like, okay, maybe phone link. I have no idea what it's about. It's disabled. Okay, Skype disabled, Windows security enabled. Okay. Nice. And then we can do our virtualization on this guy. How I'm gonna use this? As you see, I have a lot of different PC, but it's for students, for our students as well. I have access to all this equipment. You can see these switches. It's Catalyst Series 2960. Also, we have 2950. This couple of guys. This 2960, and we have like this 2960S, power over internet for VoIP, 2950, and also we have these routers, 2890, oh, 2800 series, yes, and 2900 series routers as well as this. But this 3 doesn't have serial ports. This one has, I suppose. Smaller, but works perfect. This all these ports, serial ports, fast internet, console aux. I'm gonna use some of this. I suppose I have layer 3 switch, only one, but it's enough for me for my labo. And this, I think. I haven't checked all of the switches. Last one is broken. I don't know. I have to check this one. But all of this also. And I have this rack, which I'm gonna use for my labo and virtualization. I'm gonna install here on this desktop 3, maybe 4 virtual machines. I know processor like not the best one. I have here CPU 4 cores, but okay. For labo, I think it will be enough for me. But what I have here, control panel, network, I have enough interfaces for internet connection. Okay, see you next time.